Number 25, the United States Cyber Command. If you run the 32 letters and numbers located inside the golden ring through an MD5 cryptographic hash, you'll come across the group's mission statement. Number 24, Wikipedia. The incomplete nature of the Wikipedia globe signifies the incomplete nature of Wikipedia itself, as it's always expanding and evolving. Number 23, Facebook Places. Originally meant to mirror the functionality of Foursquare, you'll notice that Facebook's first Places logo had their location marker laid directly on a grid with a visible 4 on it. Number 22, Mac Rumors. The most widely read Apple blog on the internet, their logo makes sense. If you look closer though, you'll notice that the right side of the apple consists of a question mark. Number 21, Dell. The E turned on its side represents founder Michael Dell's desire to turn the world on its ear. There's also been some speculation that it portrays a floppy disk. Number 20, Cisco. The vertical lines are meant to represent both San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge as well as a digital signal. In fact, the name Cisco itself derived from San Francisco. Number 19, Sun Microsystems. The old logo, before the company was acquired by Oracle, consisted of a square in which the word Sun could be read from any direction. Number 18, Sony Vaio. The first two letters, V and A, are arranged to represent a basic analog signal. The I and O, on the other hand, are meant to look like a 1 and a 0, representing digital binary code. Number 17, NBC. One of the most famous logos ever, it's a peacock with 6 bright feathers, each one representing one of the company's 6 divisions at the time. In the negative space, you'll notice the peacock looking to the right, which signifies that the company is looking ahead. Number 16, Northwest Airlines. Another classic corporate logo, the N part is obvious. The more observant among you may have noticed that the N along with the triangle form a W, but did you realize that the triangle and the N also form a compass pointing to the northwest? Number 15, 8020. The logo of this data crunching company actually represents the numbers 80 and 20 in binary. Number 14, Picasa. The colorful portion of Google's Picasa logo represents a camera shutter, while the negative space is a house. Casa means house in Spanish, and pi can be short for pixel index. If you put them together, you have a house for your pictures. Number 13, Microsoft XNA. The collection of tools used by video game developers has a clever logo. The orange portion of the X actually represents the letters X and A in Morse code. Number 12, Nintendo GameCube. The purple part of the cube doubles as a G while the negative space makes a C. The cube itself is also wrapping around another cube. Number 11, LG. Meant to be inviting, the L and G within the logo make up a smiling face. Some have also said that it's a not-so-subtle shout-out to Pac-Man. Number 10, Amazon. The yellow line in this logo is more than just a smiley face. Notice that the arrow starts at A and goes to Z, showing that Amazon has everything you'll ever need. Number 9, FedEx. Considered a classic, this logo has a hidden arrow between the E and the X. Number 8, the London Symphony Orchestra. Although the LSO spelled out in script form is fairly obvious, you might not notice that the L is actually the conductor's right hand while the O is his left. Number 7, Ubuntu. The name of this operating system is derived from the South African philosophy of human kindness. This is why the logo has 3 people holding hands and looking towards the sky. Number 6, Le Tour de France. Although the first thing you probably notice is the groovy font, you might overlook the fact that the O, U, and R, along with the yellow circle, are meant to be a bicycle rider. Number 5, Codefish. The IT firm's logo consists of a number of characters often used in programming. Number 4, Hope for Africa Children's Initiative. Aiming to promote safety and welfare among Africa's children, this is another logo that makes good use of negative space. Number 3, AT&T. The logo shows blue wires wrapping around the globe, which signifies the company's global reach. Number 2, Pittsburgh Zoo. Another popular logo, this one is famous for its use of negative space. It features a gorilla and a snow leopard staring at each other. And number 1, Toblerone. Based out of Bern, Switzerland, it just so happens that this chocolate company is headquartered in the city of bears. You may not have noticed that the logo features a bear climbing a mountain. If you liked the video you just saw, then consider clicking on the button at the top right to subscribe. Also, check out our other popular videos, 25 of the world's dumbest robbers, thieves, and delinquents, and 25 famous predictions that were proven to be horribly wrong. If you're still itching for more, go ahead and check out our website at list25.com for a whole bunch of cool lists.